Good morning, students. I hope that you all are fine at your home. Today I brought a math lesson for you in which you will learn about timetables. A timetable is a list of multiples of a number. For instance, if we want to work out the times table for 2, we start with 2 and then add 2 in each step. The answer obtained in every step is a multiple of 2 and is known as multiplication fact. Today, I will tell you about the timetables of 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have already done these tables in class 1. Today, we will revise it again. As I told you, tables are multiplication fact. Multiplication is nothing but repeating addition of numbers. For example, if we are doing multiplication of 2 and say 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, it's mean 2 2 times. That is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, when we say 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 6, it's mean we adding a numbers 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times and so on. This rule is used for multiplication table of any number. When we write this table, then 2 signs are used in every step of every table, and the first sign is multiplication sign and the second one is equal sign. Now we will start the drilling of tables of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Our first timetable is times table of 2. Let's say with me. 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2 are 4, 2, 3 are 6, 2, 4 are 8, 2, 5 are 10, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 7 are 14, 2, 8 are 16, 2, 9s are 18, 2, 10s are 20. Now come on the timetables of 3. Let's say with me. 3, 1 is 3, 3, 2 are 6, 3, 3 are 9, 3, 4 are 12, 3, 5 are 15, 3, 6 are 18, 3, 7 are 21, 3, 8 are 24, 3, 9 are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Now come on the timetables of 4. 4, 1 is 4, 4, 2s are 8, 4, 3 are 12, 4, 4 are 16, 4, 5 are 20, 4, 6 are 24, 4, 7 are 28, 4, 8 are 32, 4, 9s are 36, 4, 10s are 40. Now come on the timetables of number 5. 5, 1 is 5, 5, 2s are 10, 5, 3s are 15, 5, 4s are 20, 5, 5s are 25, 5, 6 are 30, 5, 7s are 35, 5, 8s are 40, 5, 9s are 45, 5, 10s are 50. Drill these tables at your homes, learn it and write on your notebooks. Goodbye.